These are just some of the seismic monitors that are on top of Mount Adams, and it's scientists that are doing all the research right here in Vancouver at the USGS office.
And so this represents the last 24 hours of data.
Every single one of the volcanoes that lie in the Cascade Range are unique.
Each volcano sort of has its own personality, and we learn what that personality is by monitoring what level of earthquakes, deformation, gases are normal for that volcano.
On Mount Adams, from September to October of last year, there were 9 earthquakes ranging from a 0.9 to a 2.0, very small.
The normal for Mount Adams is very low. We have about 1 earthquake every 2 to 3 years.
All of those earthquakes got researchers wanting to prepare.
We went up, worked with the Forest Service and the Pacific Northwest Seismic Network to put in 3 additional temporary stations that went in. They were solar powered, and they were able to relay information to help us better locate those earthquakes.
Holly Wise-Racine is the outreach coordinator with the Cascades Volcano Observatory in Vancouver.
This is some of the inner workings of what the monitoring equipment looks like.
She says adding those stations will open up a lot more about the mountain.
We don't have a lot of background information on Mount Adams. We've been monitoring the volcano for about 42 years, and the volcano has been in existence for hundreds of thousands of years.
And the one thing these monitors will help researchers find out.
So the 42 years that we have documented, we know that the volcano has 1 earthquake every 2 to 3 years. We don't know if that's the normal or if this is the unusual period.
Just how active Mount Adams really is.
We know this isn't a volcanic earthquake.
Now, these earthquakes have died down considerably over the last couple of months, but still, researchers say they're going to be keeping a close eye on Mount Adams.